response to some of the videos, comments on the video. I'm just gonna respond to a few of them. What a great place. Thanks so much for sharing. So happy that my people are finding their way back home. Sending some of the wrongs being righted. Okay, Abacha, you want to answer that one? Just make a comment if you want to.
We just have to give thanks to the people who watch the thing, because it's a lengthy video, maybe are okay. So them watch it and I make them comment, and some of the comment them lengthy. So we just watch them and I go through and as to say, okay, maybe we will comment on one of them when we see about the couple, something I think further down. Then we just comment on that so that, you know, them can see the wife, them can see the husband, then hear everything, because I guess maybe them see everything else already. I don't know.
All right, we just want to thank you for a lot of positive comments. As I'm looking and scrolling down, I just want to say that to thank you for the comments, and also to let you know that we're here at Jamaica Village. Jamaica Village was established as a beacon, to inspire others to come home. So Jamaica Village is located in eastern region of Ghana, on the Aquapim Mountains, and our telephone number locally it's 054-2011-407. Internationally, you leave the 0 off, so you would put +233 54 2011-407. Or Abacha's number, that number is mine. Abacha's number is same 233 0. Sorry, with the 233 there is no 0, so it's 233 24 926 6494. Locally, it's 024 926 6494. So if you want to talk to us, we're willing to talk with you. And thank you, as I said, for all your wonderful comments. Okay, I love to watch videos about this couple. They are an inspiration and a motivation to diasporans. They're storytellers. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. That one is really true. We started, we had to actually come to Ghana to creep before we could even walk. We ended up in situations that were really difficult and, not quite life-threatening, but threatening in the sense of doing everything that you have never done before. And we weathered the storm to this point. And, Jamaica Village was started by us, the Abacha family. We came from Jamaica in 2007 with a vision. And we wanted to have this place really, as I said, as the beacon of inspiration, and to also bring back the feeling of Jamaica, bring back the feeling of the island, the way we live, our culture, in terms of food and natural life. So that is what Jamaica Village is offering. But at the moment, we are in need of help in many ways from other Jamaicans who are able to help us to, bring the project forward. Like anything else, there are challenges, and we do have the vision, but, we are inviting others who may be able to, bring Jamaica Village to its full fruition. We would need that kind of support if it is possible, if anyone, understands what the vision is. And, we are here to really tell the people the truth as much as we know, and, to bring back the culture that was taken with us across to the Caribbean, because the people are really lacking in a lot of areas. Most will not probably agree with me if I say this, But I always say Africa awaits its creators. It's not a cliche, it is a fact, and we need to be here in order to regain and to help to lead the people back to our queenly and kingly state.
Okay, I scroll through some of them in the Taz and I say one man from Appredi, I said, this is not Aburi, you know, so I come like you edit the thing away so people think say Aburi. One man from Appredi, I said, this is not Aburi, you know, this is Appredi, my home, you know. So whosoever that is, we see you know, and the next man I say, watch out. Them not see nothing about where the place there. The place there, Eastern region, Aquapim North, Ghana. Yeah, Jamaica village. Yeah, I mean, I watch some more, I say the people, I say, boy, look on the machine, look how the man I use the machine.
Yeah, man,
some of us watch them things and I go through one and I see it. So, as I say, my wife, give out the number them and some people can call we. The time difference there's some way, but we will make space for it. But I watch some of them still, but I pray the people I watch, so, you know, we see it. So you have to watch how you talk. That's what I pray.
Me know.
Not Aburi.
Me see it, man. Me see it. Yeah.
But as me that show you earlier, I say, the people, you know, if you think so, them come down here, you know, bad man vibes and no war thing and no gangsterism thing, you know. You know, see it. So they have to fix the thing one different way before them come down here. You know, see it. Yes, them just cancel them flight, then have to come down here some way because I know that the way that we come down here. Because nobody thinks African people can expel you out of this thing.
Yeah.
You know, and no skin matter. And what you do and how you make them receive you. You know, see it. So obviously if we there so free like that, if we can really entertain people and entertain and live free. And because we make them receive we try to make them receive we a certain way. You know? So right now we figure say based upon being a couple. It's good if you can come in as a couple. And when you come in
as a family.
As a family. And when you come in as a bigger family, like a bigger group, the man them for stay together. The man them for come see we and make we show no certain things so that nobody worry yourself and just split up and fuck up things and the people them watch we. So whatever, we have to prepare well. You have to dance a yard before you come dance or something. You know, see it. So we have see the thing them and we see people I make plenty comments so numbers out there where they can comment so that maybe them no drive you crazy. But I saw the machine skill going on, I Sidney Lawrence and Gladson Grant, you know. You know, see so, it. I see one man I said Jermaine, nice skill that me know says a Jamaica man that.
A man asked, me know if you see the comment, a man said Basil dead. You remember Basil talk about the bike thing?
Yeah man, Basil dead. Yeah man, me see it man.
Yeah,
Basil dead man. Basil used to, when we used to carry with bike flare, that time I ride 600.
Yeah.
We ride Kawasaki 600, the green and white Kawasaki. That man they know me, you know. The green and white ZX6, you know.
Yeah.
When we used to carry come a Basil. Basil used to take with friend. Basil, I crash him crash. I don't know. The man them fi tell you what go on, you know. So now we number, you know. Basil our virgin man. We used to carry Kawasaki flare them go Basil fix man, downtown. And the downtown police them used to just know so watch out. You can't touch them man, you know. Cause expensive thing we are carrying, you know, cause that time the big bike them just come in and we ride them and me used to fix them. You know? So I carry the thing and go to town and Basil alone sell the right thing. Basil dead. I saw rest in peace, you know, see it. We are gonna ride in heaven, you know.
Yeah, man.
Okay, there's one question here. I love Ghana. Planning coming there soon. I'm from Jamaica in the USA. How I get to Ghana? Well, obviously, if you're in the USA, you have to book a flight. As a Jamaican, you don't need a visa. You use your Jamaican, once you have a valid Jamaican passport, you basically book your flight whether online or with a travel agent and you come in. Any other further information you need, you know, we can assist you.
Yeah, I want the panic to say, oh, great, I'm moving to Ghana in 2 weeks. Me see that one there too. I don't know. Oh, so them have to just listen to the thing and follow the thing, you know, and then we see it. So we die like that, you know. So we just contact we and you know, me are the president or nothing, but you know we die and we see it.
Okay.
So we have to go teach machine skills, you know, to the people. You know?
Yes, so one person said that truly looks like Jamaica. Yes, that was the intention. Actually, our tagline is a little piece of the island in the continent. And the last weekend of every month, we host what we call the Real Jamaica Sinting, where we prepare natural food, plant-based food, ital buffet, And we do baking, vegan baking with no, no plants,
the right
nothing
thing
from
them in
plants. From animal. And we also do juices, exotic juices, which most of them we brought these seedlings from Jamaica. So we do cherry juice, 100% cherry juice, Jamaican cherry juice. We do the red plum. Some people call it hog plum. That's small.
No, I know hog plum. That one
No,
plum that come from Portland.
That small red plum. We do that. We have star fruit, pineapple, passion fruit, all these things. So we use them and offer juices on a daily basis to the public. Yeah, man. But we have a vision, as I said, to move forward. But
Hey,
we need a little speed behind it at this point to make it happen. Yeah, man.
The thing lock up, you have to open it back again. Hey, Basil Jafford. Basil are short, man. Hey, Basil are ride that,
Alright.
One depend it to one man I say, boy, but this brother him want to know how him can help. Some only things depend it, so them have a number, so who is
this
who?
One, no say me have to check him and him impress to come buy some seeds to plant. May Jah continue to bless your hands. Yeah, man, you can check me anytime, I'm ready. I guess you're in Ghana.
So I just that we watch and we say, okay, the people who are coming, them have to understand say is a continent. Okay, maybe you come from America to a continent, but I know your continent. So this continent is our continent. So what happens is plenty different ways there how you can really survive or make money. Like firewood sell in Ghana, and charcoal a big money in Ghana. You understand? If you understand agriculture well, because agriculture me do. And this is how me in front of the camera. Just because we plant some fruit trees and we have prepare some food. Yeah, and we arrange things well. So different things sell in Ghana because Ghana is like fresh, raw. No matter about the cell phone where you see and the big car them where you see. As it broke down, it spoil. You can't fix. So Ghana open for opportunities. You understand? I know everybody have to come be farmer really. A man can come own tractor, a man can come be mechanic. Carry things, proper things, because if you have to take about better Ghana, they need the better things, for support whosoever the president or whatever is, so that we get even better than what we enjoy right now. See that tree here, me come plant that tree here, so come on this tree here.
Yeah, man.
Come on this tree here.
When we come here, so, a thick forest, all this road with white line in there, so just a little track.
Animal,
bush.
I run up and down.
When we
But
come.
the big road out there,
No, man, it's
bush
a little
road,
track,
like where you drive
dirt
back in.
road.
Where you drive back in from.
Not even taxi one car will come down here. We have to walk from the town.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, so we start off and come in like the ancestors come through and some man come and say, wow, Rasta on the Island here, so we're going to give you on the road. And truly, them come and give a road. Yeah.
They really set the president.
We
Yeah,
have
man.
come to
And
do
so
your
as-
road for you.
Yeah, man, we're giving a road and them come and them
do
give
it.
it a road,
For
so
real.
we give thanks,
For real.
yeah, man.
So,
So we started, like I tell you, like the genesis wasn't easy,
Yes.
Yeah, but we make it through it, so we still have more journey to go, more distance to cover. So, yeah, man, this is Jamaica Village, Ghana. A little piece of the island, in the continent. Yeah, man.
the man them fi send video with Basil funeral come give me, Basil. Lord, we know Basil, man. Basil, we are a ZX6, man. Green and white ZX6, Ninja. So I say, but we in Ghana still, different moving and different thing, and back to the motherland, Jamaica. The place that they take us, maybe we never return, but the British and the Spaniards changed it to Jamaica. But the name is an Ashanti name. It comes from the Akan language, Jamaica. Perhaps the place they take us we won't return.
Them tell we say Jamaica land and wood and water.
A nonsense, a foolish them a tell about alligator and Indian and crocodile and all them things. A nonsense them a tell me. A Jamaica.
Yeah, man, Jamaica, Ghana is home for all of us,
So the name is an Akan name we come from. That's why the Maroons they will speak Akan still. So the people them fi come home because the chief them I realize more and more. And them fi come claim the land because the Chinese are race too.
Yeah, man, enough land there for everyone, you know.
See it?
500 million people were taken away, so you don't know. So the
place
place there, the land
So
there.
if we come home and engage in agriculture, engage in every different sector, you know, if you can come find a place in the politics, no problem, because we need that things. You know, we need.
This is we are here, Ghana for change, you know, to bring positive change to Ghana. That's what it's all about. Because we go where and we build other people's country, so we need to take that now.
We need to come
build way home. Time to
Ghana,
come and clean up house and sweep out and rebuild it, you know. Yeah, man. So the very place you know they praise and say, yeah, is the greatest country on earth. It can happen right here. This is the original, the beginning. So come home.
And one thing we have to say too, you know, we really give thanks to His Excellency, the President of the 5th President of the 4th Republic, Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa. We got our citizenship through him.
2 years
you know,
ago.
during his tenure. So we really give thanks to and recognize and acknowledge it, you know, and give salute. So that some people say, you know, the pictures out there, you know, we greet the president and take our citizenship. So we are now citizens also. You know, based on paper say. So it have to start somewhere. You know, so we have to really give that honor and respect there to His Excellency the President.
Yes, sir.
The now President.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well, it's good, you know, that you guys come and address the, you know, like respond to the messages and let people say it's real. You know what I mean? It's not a one-off thing, you know what I mean?
No.
Come back and make sure we address it, you know?
Yeah, man, we have to address it proper, man. See the tree there, listen to everything. Yeah, it's a tree, I listen to everything. Now I'm going to cut it. All I know I come and go and I go see this tree.
Yes, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, enough respect here.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man. That's how it goes.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings to everyone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
all of the people them out there. And that's how it goes. We're there.
All right.
Yeah, man.
One love.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica Village.
Yeah,
Jamaica
man.
Village.
All right, bless it.
Yes.